So today is January 30th. Man, we have big waves here. Big waves, wow. Whoa, look at those big waves. They are the biggest ones I've seen so far, close to the shore today. Have to be careful here not getting wet. But it's warm again, over the 70s. 70s and above 70, and people are out in shorts and short sleeves again. And also more people are out walking, sitting. The whole day was foggy. Whew. I got wet. Man, this is crazy. That's the I got good wet. Alright, this is the biggest wave I've seen so far. So we got foggy all morning. It's clearing up slowly. We'll see if it goes away later. But so far, big waves. It's high tide right now, so the water is also higher. Nice big, really nice for a beach walk.